Hello friends, today I am telling you about the Polar Animal Hospital. This is our Polar Animal Hospital. You can feed these animals different things and you can level up these animals. And the maximum level of these animals is 8. Fox is on level 7. This is also on 7. 6. This polar bear is reached at level 8. When the any animal reached on level 8, you can release it. You should release it because maximum level is level 8. So we are releasing this animal. Sure, we are releasing this animal. Now this is the reward. Releasing animal, we can got different stones here. For example, we are getting the yellow stones. Wow, we have got 22 yellow stones. Now we are calling the next animal like that. Take home. Now you can see, yes, we are going to feed this animal. Now this animal is on level 0. You should eat it different things and you can get the next level 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and you can get the different rewards. You can check the status of your animals here. Polar Animal Hospital, total animals: penguins 33, polar bear 30, I have treated them, seal 62, and Arctic fox 28. The maximum size of these animal was different. For example, penguin was 18.51 kgs and so on. You can share this status in community and news feed also. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Happy farming.